Hi, my name is Steve and I live in Summerlin Key, Florida, which is in the Florida Keys. I have a very large back porch with some large areas that need to be screened in. We had quite a bit of damage after Hurricane Irma last year. The eye of the hurricane went right over the top of our house, but we've been able to repair, and I need to finish up by screening in the back porch. The screen product that I chose, the SNAPP product, I'm very pleased with. I looked at all the products out on the market and I was looking for something that would resist the corrosion of the harsh environment down here, that would be easy to self-install and that looked good. And I found that in the SNAPP product, and I have installed 2 areas so far of the 5 that I have to install, and I'm quite pleased with all of those. The ease of installation, the strength of the material, and how it was easy to apply to these curved areas that I'll show you a little more of here. Now, as you can see, these areas are quite large, but they were easy to install. There are the finished products there. Now, what I did was first I pre-drilled the extrusions as instructed with holes, and then I marked the concrete and stucco and drilled the holes in the area. And then I used, because I was in concrete, I used a hammer drill to drill that, and the fasteners I found were perfect. They were the white maxi set Tapcons, 1/4 by 1 3/4 inches, and fairly inexpensive, but boy, they did the job, did a beautiful job. So then I put the screen in. I can tell you I did this first large area by myself, and the spline went in quite nicely. Because of the curved areas, it was a bit of a challenge to do by myself, so I was able to talk my wife into helping me. This first area took a couple hours for me to screen, and with help from my wife I was able to put the screen in this area in about 20 minutes. So I would encourage you to use 2 people to put the screen in, but it's not absolutely necessary, especially if the areas are smaller. But I've been very pleased with the screen, very pleased with the application, and very pleased with the product.